Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the second part of renovating the stairs, and that involves replacing this doorway. To take that off in a way that I wasn't destroying the drywall. I will be cutting the door, making the door a little bit taller, but I didn't want to mess up this stuff too much. Alright, so I milled down a piece of wood to fit this little gap here. So I just planed it down to the proper dimensions. And you'll notice that there's a few little drywall screws that are sticking out. So I've notched out this so that it'll slide right in and sit flush. Added some plywood back in here where the hinges are going to screw in, because the way it was before, a good part of where the screws coming from the hinge would go would be right into the drywall, and I don't want the door resting just on the drywall, so I backed it with solid wood in all three hinge locations.
So this part of the process was a little bit nerve-wracking, drilling into a brand new door and all. But I made sure to measure a few times, make sure I was drilling in the right place, and just take it slowly. So you'll notice here that I used a different drill bit to drill through the pilot hole, and then I started drilling from the other side of the door. And that's to make sure that both sides have a nice clean cut, and I'm not pushing the drill bit through and causing the other side of the door to kind of blow out. So the door and trim came primed and ready for paint, and so I put 3 coats of kind of semi-gloss paint on all of this. And the nice thing about the door is all the window panes came covered from the factory, so I didn't have to be, super careful about getting paint on the glass. And after, I just took an X-Acto knife along all the edges, and the paper covering came right out. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below.